let's see how to graph the given functions. The first one is f of x equals 3x plus 1. So if we put right here f of x equals 3x plus 1, then when we input 0 into the function, we have a value 1 right here. So x is 0, we have a 1. You see 3 times 0 plus 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1, so you get 1. You may also do is you may plug in f1. Then when you plug in 1 here, 3 times 1, you have a 1. And then 1 plus 3, 3 times 1, you have a 3. And then plus 1, you have a 4. So that's how you get 4. You may do more. F of 2 equals, f of 2 equals 7 already. Because 2 times 3 is 6 equal plus 1. So you have is 7. Okay. So basically here, if you input 0, you have 1. That's 0, 1. That's the one right here. That's this point. You may also do 1, 4. So x is 1 here, y is 4, so is this one. And then you can see if you do x equals 2, you have 7. See x input 2 here, you got 7. And then you know x is 2, y is 7, right here. 2, 7, 1, 4, 0, 1. So you know this function is going to be a line. So then which one will be our choice? You see here the intersection between the graph and the y-axis is 0, 1. So then it sounds like here is 0, 1, but this line goes down from left to the right. So it's not this one. Not this one because here is not 0, 1. Y-intercept. It sounds like this one is right. Let's see, we have this one and this one. So you choose the one right here. Why this one is not right, the last one? Because it goes down. It goes down from the left to the right. The graph goes down. Now, we're done with the first question. How about the second one? We may do the same. Eliminate all the things we did before. We may put f of x equals negative 2x plus 2. You hit enter. You know the graph like this is going to be a line. Okay. So here when x is 0, you have this point. When you input 0 here, you hit enter, you have a 2 here. You see, when you input 0 here, negative 2 times 0 is 0 plus 2, so you have it. So 0, 2 is divine intercept, right here. And you can see it goes down. So here, this is 0, negative 2. That's not you wanted. You see here, this one. Not you wanted. This one sounds right. You see, x is 0, y is 2, positive. And it goes down. This one is not. It's going up. Even here is 0, 2. This one is going up. So the answer will be going down this way. That would be the correct answer. All right, I'll see you next time.